Alright, here we are, 2001 Jeep Wrangler, about 200,000 miles on it. It was submerged in water, and I say that the engine could possibly be toast. It may not be. After talking to more people, there's a possibility that it will still turn over, and I mean there's water in it. Here you can see the line where the front end went over, so the engine was totally submerged. These little white marks on the door is just from an advertising magnet. The interior, there's the damage on one seat. Let's see if I pull this and display the body is solid. Look at that. There are no holes in it. Solid body, no holes, no rust even. So, don't have any worries there. 5-speed manual. The engine is a rebuilt Jasper Reman 4-cylinder. It's got 4-wheel drive. Unfortunately, the steep bank was too much for the 4-wheel drive. The tarpaulin is enough to keep you dry, but it needs replacing. I've been meaning to replace it for some time. See some tears, but as far as the Jeep 1100, good deal. Look at the tires, still in good shape. Spare, completely new. People ask about the rust. The only rust is there's some on the tailgate. I bought this from my brother for $6,000 in 2001 or 2. See, there's a magnet. So that stuff will come off the door. Paint job is in good condition. It's almost in perfect condition. Of course, not what you're looking at is dirt. Another tire in good shape. But my nephew, who knows engines and very mechanical, seems to think there's a possibility that the engine's fine. In that case, I would really be a sucker to let it go at 1100. There you have it. Good Jeep, solid. The floor, the body has no rust. Last long as I live. The tarpaulin, for now, it keeps you dry. I've been driving it all over New Orleans. Actually driving the body. So you got the tarpaulin, and the one driver's seat has some tears in it. This seat is fine. Back seat is fine, it folds down. Seat belts work. And you've seen the floor, it's in good condition. So there you have it. 2001 Jeep Wrangler. Once again, a rebuilt Jasper Reman engine was put in it. It was running fine until I ran it into the water. see also now the dome light is on. There you have it. Thank you for your interest.